What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, and today we are going to be learning fall signs. Okay, so it's October, almost November. We're in the fall, winter area. This is my favorite time of the year. So we're going to learn some signs. So the first one is fall. 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 Second sign is leaf. So you put your hand out, so your dominant hand should be out, your non-dominant hand should be like a pointer, and kind of move it back and forth. Fall. Cool. 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 Like cooling down, not like you're cool. You're like in the sense that you are like a cool person. This is more like the weather is cool. Tree. 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 Okay, now colors, the colors of fall. So first, the sign for color. Colors. Okay, orange. It's like you're squeezing. Yellow. Okay, now the last one is football. I feel like a lot of people like watch football, so football. All right, we're done. Those are some fall signs. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.